Children, today we will discuss role of computer in our life. Computer has become an integral part of our life. We have become so used to computer that its absence can bring many of our works to a grinding halt. We use computer in our everyday life for various purposes, whether it is preparing a school project or booking online tickets or making various payments. We use computer at home for playing games, drawing pictures, listening to music, watching movies, searching information on internet, sending emails and many more things. Here are some images of children using computer for different purposes at home. Computer is used in shops for keeping records of items sold, maintain account, printing bills, etc. Computer is also used in offices to maintain records, to type and print letters, schedule meetings, collaborating with co-workers, and many more. Computer has many uses in banks. Each bank has its own ATMs, that is automated teller machine, for withdrawing and depositing cash. ATMs are operational 24/7. It uses touchscreen technology. All the information about the account holder is stored in the bank server, so we get a notification whenever we do any transaction. Computers are the excellent means for storage of patient-related data. Big hospitals employ computer system to maintain patient records. Computer is also used in hospital to monitor the patient's condition. All the diagnostic investigations such as pathological test, X-ray, MRI, CT scan, PET scan, etc. are conducted with the help of computers. All the bills related to the patient are generated through the computer. Computers are used in railways and airways to book tickets online and give information about the flight and train details, that is arrival and departure time. Computer is also used in the check-in counters of various airlines situated at the airport. The flights are regulated by the air traffic control of airports with the help of computers. The signaling system of the railways is also controlled by computers. Here is a picture of an airport terminal. Computer is used by defense forces to launch missile. Drone camera is also used in defense to monitor the movement of forces of neighboring countries. Supercomputer is used for scientific and research work. It is also used to launch rockets and satellites into space, which gives us weather report, information about periodic cyclone, so that government and people can take precautionary measures. Computer is also used in design industry. We can design clothes, cars, buildings, books, newspaper, magazines using a computer. The cartoon movies such as Tom and Jerry, Pingu, Noddy, Doraemon, and animated movies like Jurassic Park, Anaconda are also created in a computer. Special effects in a movie like earthquake, cyclone are also given through computer. Here are some designs which are created in a computer. Computer has a special role in teaching and learning process. A teacher can use a computer to store students' performance, prepare assessment and question paper, prepare report card, conduct quiz in a classroom. Subjects can be taught using video clips, which makes the class more interactive and interesting. Internet has made it possible for online classes where the teacher and students interact with one another virtually. Online tests like engineering and medical entrance examinations are conducted through computer. Now people are working from home, which is possible only because of computer and internet. In this picture, we can see children gaining skill through computer. It is a picture of a smart class where a teacher uses computer and audiovisual equipments to teach using a wide variety of media. A computer is a platform to learn new skills. A simulated atmosphere is created through computer where an individual can learn driving. Similarly, pilots are also trained in a simulator where they get the feel of actual flying. All of these are possible with the help of computers. We can learn the skill of cooking different kinds of food. We can learn different art forms, languages, etc. through platforms like YouTube. Children, I hope you have understood the role of computers in our life. If you have doubts, consult your concerned teacher through mail. Thank you.